YKP. I am a Catholic priest. I am originally from Kerala. I had a severe spondylosis and lower back pain and numbness on the left leg and right hand. I came here and had the treatment for nearly 3-4 sessions. I feel far better. My pain is reduced and I feel free. My body is free. I feel more comfortable after having this treatment.